In this video, we're going to examine how to apply the operations on polynomials, addition, subtraction, and multiplication to some geometry concepts. And so the first problem we have is we're asked to find the area of this triangle, and let's write our expression as a polynomial. So first, let's remember the area formula for a triangle is 1/2 the length of the base times the height. So if I take a look at my expression, 5x plus 1 is my base, 2x plus 3 is my height. And so now I'm going to plug in my base and my height. So my area is 1/2 my base, which is 5x plus 1, times my height, which is 2x plus 3. And so now I need to create the polynomial of this. And if I take a look, since we have three terms being multiplied together, three objects being multiplied together, we got to figure out what order do we want to do it in. Do we want to go the 1/2 times the 5x plus 1, or do we want to go 5x plus 1 times 2x plus 3? Well, if you multiply the 1/2 in first, you're going to be dealing with fractions, and then you're going to distribute again. But if I multiply the 5x plus 1 and the 2x plus 3 first, I'm not going to work with fractions until the very end. And so that's why I'm going to go ahead and distribute this first to get 5x times 2x is 10x squared, 5x times 3 is 15x, 1 times 2x and 1 times 3, so that's 2x plus 3. Combine the middle terms and you get 10x squared plus 17x plus 3. And so that is just the base times height. I still need to take 1/2 of that. And so I'm going to distribute the 1/2 in. And if I distribute the 1/2 in, 1/2 of 10 is 5, so you get 5x squared. Half of 17 is 17 halves. And half of 3 is 3 halves. And so your area as a polynomial is 5x squared plus 17 halves x plus 3 halves. So when it comes to this, you just plug your expressions in the formula, perform the operations, and simplify. So let's check out a rectangle problem. We want to find the area of this rectangle. The area formula for a rectangle is length times width. So my length is 6x minus y, and my width is 8x minus 3y. We're going to distribute here. 6x times 8x is 48x squared. 6x times negative 3y is negative 18xy. Negative y times 8x is negative 8xy. And negative y times negative 3y is positive 3y squared. And so you get 48x squared minus 26xy plus 3y squared when you combine my terms. And that is the expression of the area written as a polynomial. So the bottom line is, in these application problems, you plug your expressions into the formula and you just perform the operations as we did before. You would distribute and combine like terms.